Good day everyone. I am Perez Jetlie from second year England. For today's video, these are the personal protective equipment used in welding. First, coverall. Coverall was created to ensure a high level of protection to cover your body from burning metal parts during arc welding. The second, safety shoes. Safety shoes, wear in the workplace, is designed to protect the foot from physical hazards such as falling objects, stepping on sharp objects, heat, cold, wet and slippery surfaces. And the third, gloves. Welding gloves is used to protect both hand from heat surface metals during the welding and used to hold slippery substance. And the fourth, helmet. Helmet. During welding is very important. It can protect your head against falling debris and sharp objects. And the fifth, welding mask, designed to protect ultraviolet light and also protect your eyes from hot metal chips. Procedure to prepare welding machine. First, preheat the welding machine and coil to minimize induction. Then, ensure the electrodes that there is no electrodes in it before turning on the welding machine. Then, ensure the current set according to the electrode selection. Then, do not use the bare hand and never drop the electrodes around yourself. That's all. Thank you.